Hello, we are going to make cat tea coaster today. This is very easy, anyone can do it, I believe. I have used 8-ply cotton yarn and 2.5 crochet hook to make this project. To begin, we have to make a magic ring and then 2 chains. One and 2 chain and then 12 double crochets in the magic ring. So we have completed 12 double crochets. Close the magic ring by pulling the tail tight and then slip stitch to the 3rd chain we made at very beginning. Just make sure we have done 12 double crochet in the magic ring. So we're going to make 2 double crochet in each stitch, means double crochet increase around the first round, so you will have 24 double crochets in second round in total. Okay, now we almost complete the second round. Now we're going to make a slip stitch to the first double crochet we made. We did the slip stitch, chain 1 and chain 2. Now we're going to do the third round. In third round we do 1 double crochet and double crochet increase around the row, third row. One double crochet and then double crochet increase. 1 double crochet and increase. So we did 2 double crochets in one stitch, and the next stitch we do as 1 double crochet, and then next stitch we do 2 double crochets. Likewise we do the same pattern around the third row. Now we are at the end of round number 3. We need to make a slip stitch to the first double crochet we made when start at the row 3. Let's make 2 chain to start the row 4. So the 2 chains consider as 1 double crochet, and we make another double crochet in the same stitch to make double crochet increase, and then we do 1 double crochet in next stitch and another double crochet in next stitch. Then double crochet increase again in the next stitch. So the pattern is double crochet increase and 2 double crochet in next 2 stitches. Likewise we continue the pattern around the row 4. We'll meet you at the end of round number 4. Okay, we almost complete round 4. So like the previous rows, at the end we do slip stitch to the first double crochet we did at the beginning of round 4. Two chains and double crochet increase, and then 1 double crochet in next stitch, 1 double crochet in next stitch. The same pattern what we did in row number 4. Double crochet increase and then 2 double crochets in next 2 stitches. Okay, now we are almost at the end of row number 5. This is the last row in making this cat head coaster. So at the end of the round, insert the hook in the first double crochet we made at the beginning of row number 5 and pull up a loop. Now you have 2 loops in the hook and attach different color like this and make a slip stitch. Now we're going to make 1 single crochet. Make sure you hiding the yarn tails when you are crocheting. We are making the ear now. So I did 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet and 1 double crochet, and then in 1 stitch we do 3 triple crochets. So 1 more triple crochet, again 1 double crochet into the next stitch, and 1 half double crochet to the next stitch, and then 1 single crochet. So 1 ear is complete. Then you are doing slip stitch in next 7 stitches. Just try to make the yarn very loose and less tension when you are doing this slip stitches. So 7 slip stitches between 2 ears. So after that, 1 single crochet and then 1 half double crochet, pull up the loop in 3 loops, and then 1 double crochet, and then 3 triple crochets in 1 stitch. Okay, we did 3 triple crochet. Now descending order, 1 double crochet, 1 half double crochet, and then single crochet. We can cut the excess yarn because we have worked on that excess tail throughout the first year, so we don't need to secure again with yarn needle. Now we do slip stitches around the face, all around the round. Now we are at the end of the first year, so we slip stitch again to the first single crochet, and then we can cut the yarn and secure the excess tail. In this pattern we can use actually this coaster in both sides. Even the reverse side doesn't look bad. It's like a new design. We need to secure the end yarn tail with the yarn needle